Hello Christian channel makers, I'm about to share some slides with you today. Here I got some slides on my screen, here we go. Okay, I will explain shortly what it is. As you can see, I still got 4 subscribers, but YouTube is not a miracle maker platform, okay? No. On a YouTube you have to keep process in progressive way. Why some Christian people leave churches? Why some good Christian folks leave your YouTube channel? You can see that the Christian YouTube channel makers, a lot of them are not growing. The audiences are not coming. You have seen 500, 600, 5,000 subscribers, but only few hundred views. Few hundred views for the thousands and thousands of subscribers. The reason is channel makers, we are recording laws and data for our audience. We think that they need law and data. No, they don't need. That's why YouTube is not showing your content, because you are dumping law and data to your audience. But this is not the content what your audience is looking for. What your audience is looking for is, hey, look here, how to get from 0 to 4. Not necessarily subscribers, from $0 to $4. That's what you have to show them by example. That's why my subscribers are 4, because I'm going the process. When Jesus came to this world, he came with 0 subscribers, and he started the process by inviting disciples, teaching them, and multitudes follow him. We have to replicate what works. When your audience is coming to the church, they say, what's going on? I don't know what it is. They're just dumping laws and do this, don't do this, you are sinners, stuff like this. Those things not for your audience. They are not coming to the church to hear how bad they are. They are coming to the church for the hopes of better. Okay, this is what you have to show them. And if you will be able to get them from 4 subscribers to 400 subscribers, or from $4 to $400, show them how they can earn money. Some Christian folks do, you know how to make money online. Nothing wrong with this. Progressive way. Whatever you teach, whatever you preach, process in progressive way. Show them actually the way how it was. Because Jesus said what? Jesus said, I am the way. I am the way. Show me the way how to get there to the 4,000. Jesus is the one who can show you. That's why I'm so nailing down all the time that whatever you do on YouTube, please implement principles of Jesus, because Jesus will gonna do this, and your subscribers will be happy, your church will gonna grow, your channel will gonna grow, more subscribers, more church members, even from your local around surroundings, because you do the Jesus principle on your channel. This is why I'm doing this, because I believe the process in progressive way is so important for me and for you to grow our audience and to provide more value for them. Be blessed. See me on the next video.